Mm. Hello friends. So now we'll discuss about virtual private network topic. So the definition says that in AWS, VPN is a way to securely connect your own network. Own network means like a company network to your AWS cloud network. Okay. So it works over the internet, but it keeps your data safe. How safe? By encrypting it. So no one else can read it or hack it. Okay. In simple, VPN is a way to connect your on-premise network to AWS cloud network. Okay. Over the internet, it will encrypt the data so that it will be secure. So if we see types of AWS VPN connection, there are two. That is site-to-site VPN and client VPN. If you see client-to-client VPN, what it does means it links you. So in site-to-site VPN, what it does is it links your whole on-premises network, you know, like your office or data center to your AWS network. So how it works is there will be a virtual private gateway, you know, so on the AWS and a customer gateway on your site. Create a secure tunnel for your data, which means a virtual private gateway will be there on the AWS and a customer gateway will be on your site. Your site means on premise. Okay. So between this, we'll create a secure tunnel to transfer the data. This is nothing but a VPN. Okay. So when we use it, if you want to connect your company's network to AWS in a way that's secure and long term, which means when we want to connect our on-premise network to AWS cloud network, that time we go for site-to-site VPN. Okay. So next, the client VPN. What it does, it allows individual devices. Individual devices means consider as laptop, phones, etc. So these, when we want to connect to directly to AWS network, just as if they were on your AWS network. Okay. If you want to connect your individual devices to AWS cloud, then we go for client VPN. Okay. How it works. Users install VPN software on their devices. Okay. Which connects them securely to AWS. Here we will install the VPN software in client devices. Okay. Which connects securely to AWS. When to use this is ideally for remote workers who need, for example, in employees like if they are working in remote, usually that time they need this client VPN, where they will who need secure access to, suppose if they want to access AWS resources from anywhere in the world, right? Okay, so for example, I'm telling, so they go with client VPN. So how this VPN, right? Keep the data secure. They follow these three things. It is encryption, reliability, and easy integration. Encryption, as I said to you, it will encrypt the data, which means only the intended recipient can read it, which means only the authorized person, can read the data. Scrambling means it's like cipher, plain text will be converted to cipher so that only intended recipient, the authorized people can read it at the receiver side. And reliability. Reliability means AWS uses multiple tunnel to make sure You have a backup. For example, if one goes down, the another tunnel will be up. So the reliability is there here. Tunnel means one end, from one end to another end. There is a in real world you can see there is a tunnel, right? Just like that. If one goes down, the another tunnel will come. So that backup is there. Lastly, easy integration. You can use AWS VPN to safely access other AWS services like databases or storage. All these services, you can access. In summary, AWS VPN are useful for securely connecting your network to AWS, whether for an entire office network like site-to-site VPN or individual remote users like client VPN, for example, laptops, phone, etc. So they make sure your data stays private and secure and being transferred over the internet. So this is all about the VPN, guys. So in next video we will discuss about more VPC networking and content delivery topics. Hope I believe that you understood this topic, that is virtual private network. I tried my level best to explain you in simple terms. Yep. Thank you.